Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today we're back with another one-pot wonder for dinner. Today we're going to be making taco pasta. And for that I'm going to need about 8 ounces of shell pasta, a small onion with a half of red and orange pepper added to it, diced, about a cup and a half of cheese mixed up. They call for Monterey Jack and cheddar, but I had Monterey Jack and some Gouda left over, so we're going to see how that goes. Got about a pound of ground beef here, a half a cup of cream, a can of roasted tomatoes, chicken broth, a jar of salsa, a packet of taco mix, the seasoning, about a tablespoon of garlic, and a good teaspoon of salt, pepper, and dried cilantro. Well, this doesn't seem so bad. So you know the drill. Let's go. First step will be to get our beef cooking until, of course, it's a nice cooked thoroughly all the way through brown. And after that's cooked up mostly, we'll be adding in our onion and peppers. And however much of your taco seasoning packet you want to add. I'm going to put a good half of it in and see how it goes on flavor and on heat. After that's cooked together for a while, you can sprinkle in your cilantro, salt, and pepper, your garlic, and let that have another good 5 minutes to get fragrant and mix together. After about 5 or so minutes, we can add in about half of our salsa, our cream, a can of tomatoes, our beef broth. We're going to combine all this thoroughly and let it come to a soft boil. And once our concoction starts boiling away, we're going to add in our shells. Mix those in so they're underneath the water or liquid, preferably. I'm going to cover this up and give it a good 15 or 10 minutes for our shells to soften and cook. And when that's almost done cooking, we're going to shut off the heat and let it cook on the end of its residual heat. And we'll be pouring in our cheese at this point. Giving that a good mix until it's all melted into our taco casserole. Alright everybody, my favorite time is here, the time to taste it. It looks amazing. Got a little sprinkle of cheese, got a little bit of everything in this bite. Let's go. Well, I've got to say I'm pleasantly surprised with this. It's not as hot or spicy as I thought it would be, and that's good. I can taste a lot of the peppers and the beef. It's a lot like chili with pasta in it, minus the beans. But it really does have a good flavor, and it was very easy to toss together. You could probably add other vegetables in here, or even give it sour cream on top, which, of course, I went digging for, and I didn't have any of. Wah, wah, wah. So, that sad fact put aside, I really do like our taco pasta, and I would suggest you try to make it. It's easy, it's quick, you don't have to, cook too much. Pretty cool. Anyway, leave me a comment and leave me a like. Tell me what you think about it. Maybe if you try it out, let me know. And as always, I will see you in our next one.